So it's about 4:06 in Texas, and we're gonna attempt a rain dance, and it's toe, heel, stomp, toe, heel, stomp. Oh man, this is hard to do. Toe, heel, stomp, toe, heel. I can't really move my left leg too much. Stomp, toe, heel, stomp. Stomp. First time doing this. Stomp. Let's do this all together, I think. Toe, heel, stomp. Did you guys see that? Okay. Toe, heel, stomp. 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 Okay, let's see if this works. Little Zephy was out here with me because he's a little wind elemental, apparently. That's what Zephy means. So let's see what happens.
These poor plants out here, it's so freaking hot, they're all dying. My little rose plants out there. They're begging for some water. So hopefully the rain dance worked. Well, what's going on out here? Did I do that? Take a little nap and I wake up and it's raining. Oh, I'm gonna have to try that again. The plants definitely needed it.